I am Dr. Durga Kalyani, Chief Dermatologist at KH Skin and Hair Clinic, Srinagar Colony, Hyderabad. Today I am going to talk about fungal infections of the skin. In this video, I am going to tell you about what are the causes of fungal infection and symptoms of fungal infection and how to prevent and how to treat the fungal infections of the skin. Fungal infections are mainly known as ringworm or dermatophyte infection. It is caused by the fungi known as dermatophytes. It infects the superficial layer of the skin and it spreads from one person to another person. It is a contagious disease. So it spreads from one person to another person by sharing towels, clothes, and from infected pets also it will spread from person to person. So fungal infections are mainly more in summer season, less in winter season. Hot and humid climates also cause fungal infections. In diabetic patients, thyroid patients, and persons with low immunity also develops this fungal infections more. The symptoms of fungal infections are mainly itching and burning sensation. So if a person itches a lot, then it spreads from skin to nails also. If the infection is on the scalp, it is known as tinea capitis. It is mainly seen in children. If the infection is present on the face, it is known as tinea faciae. If it is on the beard area, it is known as tinea barbae. If it is on the folds like underarms, below the breast and in the groins region, it is known as tinea cruris. If it is on any part of the body other than folds, it is known as tinea corporis. If it is on the hands and feet, it is known as tinea manum, tinea pedis respectively. So if a person is on steroids for a long time, then it may cause fungal infections. We can't diagnose it properly. That fungal infections are known as tinea incognito. So avoid use of steroids. The treatment options of fungal infections include topical and systemic therapies. In topical treatment, we use luliconazole, ibuprofen, cetoconazole and ketoconazole. We have to use this topical treatment for a long period to prevent the recurrence of the fungal infection. And oral treatment includes, that is tablets includes griseofulvin, which is more commonly used in tinea capitis infection in children, and itraconazole, fluconazole, terbinafine. So these tablets we have to use for 4 to 6 weeks. If there is any more infections after 4 weeks also, we have to continue for 6 to 8 weeks also. And we have to use absorb powders like clotrimazole powders. This prevents moisture in the skin and then they prevent the formation of the fungal infections. What are the preventive measures we have to take in fungal infected patients? So they have to use loose cotton clothes and they have to avoid synthetic clothes, and they have to avoid hot and humid climates, and they have to use this absorb powder regularly and avoid spicy or junk food and non-vegetarian food, and they have to take bath daily, and they have to wash their clothes separately, and they have to take bath with hot water, and they have to wash their clothes also with warm water. If any further more fungal infections you have, then you have to consult your dermatologist. They will prescribe you the topical and oral treatment and duration of the treatment also.